Hello guys, today I will show you how to make a bullet hell game. Firstly, I'll make a square for my player. You can make any other player or square or whatever. This is just my normal one that I'll use for this video. So I'll go the movement first by main green flag clicked. Now I'll make go to 00. Then I'll make two new variables and delete that one. X and Y. Set X and set Y. Wait, no. Set Y to X and Y times 0.9. I'm doing this for the smoothness that I'll add within the movement. Then I'll get change X and change Y. X and Y. Now I'll make an inf block and get a key, press D and change X by 1. I'll do 0.7. Then I'll do L minus 0.7. Then I'll add W and S. Y. Now I am going to test this. Smooth movement. So now the next thing I am going to do is add an enemy that the players should dodge. But I am going to make a circle. And I'll make an invisible square here and add its picas. So in full screen we can see the entire circle. Now I make two other types, the fast one and the big one. So the fast will be yellow and orange. The big will be blue for me. Can add more types like big and fast. When clicked, hide for the main sprite forever. And I make a time variable also. When I'll make it that every second you will get plus one more time every second, and I'll make the time visible. Now we have a working timer. Now I'll make something, and the game will be harder when you are surviving longer. So if time is bigger than 125, then it will be the hardest. Right now it isn't. If then I copy here everything. No, I make Wait, I'm going to remove this one. If it's 75, then it's harder. If it's 40, then it's harder. Not for 40, and if it's 15, then it will be harder. Now I am going to make the spawn mechanism. So here, here, wait, I'm nerfing. Here, here, and then here. Okay, now I'll make the clones. So I'll make a randomizer again. If, if, if 1 equals random 1 to 2, then I'll make it again. I find costume, normal, big, and fast. Now I'll make the positions also show here. But you can also be here, so I don't really care. So I'll make 3 if else's, and that's a big, uh, and that's a lot of if else's. We need 3 if this, and then we can start doing the position. So we can go to random minus 180 and 180 minus 240 and then 240. Then I copy two of these and then make minus 240 and 240. I copy this and make this 118 and minus 180. There, 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 and there. This is the X and Y position. So now we can make the types. We need a if block. If costume number equals 1, if the costume is normal type, then we'll create a new variable called speed. For this right only, set speed to 8 and set size to 30. Oh wait. Then we have the first one, 12 speed and the same size. And then the big one, which will have less speed but bigger size. And I'm making them smaller also. Now I'm going to point towards player and add a until repeat until not touching edge and move speed. Then I'll do the same but remove the knot and I'll make it delete this clone. So it should be right now working. They're spawning in. Okay, that's good. And after 15 seconds they will go fast. More balls will spawn. Like then but if you hit but if you touch the balls but and you won't lose. So let's program that. I'm also going to add a high score variable. You don't need that for your game, but I'm just doing it for fun. if touching sprite one, I mean enemies, then if high score is less than time, which is true, I'm also going to throw there. Then set high score to time and then stop all. Now let's test the game. If I die, if I get hit by a ball, then I will die and the game stops. And also, I am going to add a wait 3 seconds below here. And that's pretty much the game. I hope this tutorial helped you make a bullet hell game. And bye guys!